Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next topic is the convergence of a sequence. A sequence an is said to be converged to the limit L if for every epsilon greater than 0 there exists a positive integer n such that an minus L epsilon root is less than epsilon for each n is greater than or equal to the positive integer n. We can also write this symbol as the limit of the sequence a n when n tends to infinity is equal to L. This is equivalent to say that all the terms of the sequence an when the sequence an is converged to the point L when n is greater than or equal to n belong to the open interval L minus epsilon up to L plus epsilon. Calculate this open interval as that is from the an minus L absolute is less than epsilon mean an minus L is greater than minus epsilon and is less than epsilon. Adding L to the inequality, we have L plus minus epsilon is less than an minus L plus L is equal to an, which is less than epsilon plus L. That is all the terms of the sequence when n is greater than or equal to n such that all the term of the sequence an is greater than L minus epsilon and is less than L plus epsilon. That is all the term of the sequence an belong to this open interval.